How to activate a Wells Fargo card. Completing the Wells Fargo card activation process is a must before you use the bank's cards. In this video, we will discuss how to activate new and replacement Wells Fargo debit and credit cards. Regardless of if you've received a new or replacement debit or credit card from Wells Fargo, you will need to activate it before you can use it to make purchases and pay bills. Wells Fargo is the fourth largest bank in the U.S., and while the company is headquartered in San Francisco, it has offices across the country. But you don't need to visit an office to activate a card. Activating a Wells Fargo card is a quick and easy process, and the bank makes it possible for you to start using a card minutes after you receive it. You can avoid the hassle of visiting the bank's office entirely. Log into the Wells Fargo online portal. If you don't have a Wells Fargo online account yet, don't worry. You can create an account on their online portal in minutes. All you will need to do to make an account is enter your account number and your social security number on the portal. After you enter these details, you will need to set your username and password, and then you will be able to access your bank account online. To activate your card online, log into the portal and verify your identity by entering the personal information prompted, including your address and social security number. You will also need to enter the card number, the card's expiry date, and the cardholder's name. Your card will then be activated. Online Wells Fargo card activation shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes. Over the phone. Activating your card over the phone tends to be faster and easier. All you need to do is call Wells Fargo at 1-877-294-6933, enter your card number, and any other identifying information requested, like your social security number. It is the fastest Wells Fargo card activation method, and shouldn't take longer than 2 minutes. Remember that you must dial the number from your registered phone number to activate your card, or else activation will not work. Wells Fargo app. Download Wells Fargo Mobile on your Android or iOS device, and log into your account, using the same username and password as your online account. After you log in, Wells Fargo card activation is as simple as finding the right card from the list of accounts, and tapping on the activation option. Debit card activation. If you've received your Wells Fargo debit card, you will need to activate it, just like you activate your credit card. While you can all three methods mentioned above to activate your Wells Fargo debit card, there are some more methods you can use alternatively. From the ATM. Go to a Wells Fargo ATM and insert the debit card you've received into the slot. Enter the PIN, which you will have received separately a few days after you got the card. Simply inserting the card into the slot activates your card. Keep in mind that activation can only be done at a Wells Fargo ATM. At a branch, you can also go to any Wells Fargo office and request a banker for a Wells Fargo card activation. They will do it for you at no charge, and it should only take a few minutes. Things to keep in mind when activating a Wells Fargo card. If you are activating a replacement card, the PIN is the same as your old card's PIN. You can activate a replacement card by calling on the number on the card sticker. You can also activate a replacement card at a Wells Fargo ATM. The PIN of a new card will be mailed to you separately from the card. If you want to change the PIN to a number that's easier for you to remember, you can call 1-800-869-3557 and follow the prompts and change it. Customer support representatives cannot change or remind you of your PIN. If a week has passed and you do not receive a PIN for your card, you can call customer service and request a new PIN. It will arrive in your mail in 7 business days.